What's the deal, everybody? It's your boy j.koolii back with another video. Today's video, I'm gonna be going over the mods that I just got done to my 2021 Mustang GT. So I'm trying to get all the looks and stuff together before I start doing performance parts. Cause you know, looks is probably the easiest thing to do right now. Cause everything performance wise is like on back order. Cause of like COVID, I guess everybody's trying to catch up with like superchargers and tuning and stuff like that. So we're gonna go over the first I want to say 2 mods. Yeah, so I guess one of them not really a mod, but so this one is kind of like an illegal mod per se. I do have photophobia, so it's not really illegal for me. But yeah, let's go ahead and get into the video. If this is your first video, like, comment, and subscribe. I did have a Hellcat. You can go check out those videos. Unfortunately, it did get hit by somebody, so I got a new car now. I want to rock with the Mustang. Let's see if we could grow our channel. So I'm almost at, well, my next big milestone will be like 10,000 subscribers. I'm at like 6.1K right now. So let's get to it. Rock with me, and I'm gonna rock with y'all. Like I said, hit that subscribe button, and I got a lot of content coming for y'all. I'm gonna try to be a little different because I see the routes that everybody else is going with their Mustangs, so I'm gonna try to be a little bit different. But let's get into the video. Right, so as you can see, the first mod was tints. So I went with 30% up front. Let y'all get a good look at it. It looks just as dark as 5%, honestly. The sides are gonna be 15. And I wanted the backs to be 15, but they kind of ran out. So I do have 5% in the back. So I don't know if you guys can tell the difference. And of course, as you see, the second mod is the Euro lights. So I went with the Euro lights. So when I bought these, I didn't know there was an 18 version, you know, that they kind of got like a C look to them. So they go out like this, this, and that. But I kind of like these better. They give me like GT350 vibes. I don't know. Tell me what y'all think. So yeah, I really like those lights. I feel like it brings the car out, especially it being in black. The tints aren't too dark for me. Like, you can see in it. Probably not on camera, but like you can see through the glass. But like, I don't know if you can see through the back with the 5%. Probably not. So that's really the difference with those. I also got a ceramic coating. I know it kind of don't look like it right now, but I do have a ceramic coating. I can't wash it for like a week. And as you see, the third mod. So apparently I got more mods than I said, but this is the third mod that I got. So my boy Loudy, he did these. I want to say it's like a helix, like holographic light. Leave a comment below. Tell me what y'all think about these. That should look hard.
What's up, guys?
What's up, guys? I feel like it looked good on the car. It'll be nice for like car shows and stuff like that. When it's dark outside, it just looks like tinted lights. But like when the light hits it, you can see the actual holographic colors and stuff like that. So yeah, those are the three or four, I don't know, I can't count, y'all. 3 or 4 mods that we got done to the car. So right now I'm headed up to my boy TJ's shop, so he can install I have the lowering springs. So these are drag lowering springs. They help with like traction and stuff like that. I have these quad exhaust tips. Sorry, I can't think of it. So I forget what brand it is. I think it's G-Force or something like that, or X-Force. But these kind of have like a holographic look to them too. I don't know if you can tell on camera, but. And the last mod is in the car. It's gonna be an X pipe. I'm contemplating on whether I should or should not do a cat delete, because I got like a big surprise for y'all coming soon, but I don't want to spoil it. So I might just hold up on the cat delete. So I might make a video with like a before and after how the exhaust sound with and without an X pipe, just to, you know, give you a reference, just in case you're looking to do it for your 2018 up Mustang. But yeah, so yeah, I'm on my way up to my boy TJ's shop so he can knock this out for me. It'll probably be a couple of days, so I'm gonna just drop the car off, and then when I pick it up, I got a lot more goodies coming tomorrow, and I'll share that with y'all whenever they come. So I'm on my way up to TJ's shop right now. Let's get a little cold start going. It's so quiet, y'all. That's why I really want this X pipe. I hope it really like wake it up a little bit, because I know on Scat Packs and Hellcats, if you do a muffler delete, it wakes the car up like a lot. So this is like similar to a Scat Pack or a Hellcat muffler delete with this X pipe. I guess it's a resonator delete or something like that. But I still have the active exhaust and everything, so we shall see the difference. All right, y'all. So I'm gonna head up there right now, and I'll see y'all once I get there. All right, peace.
Later.
All right, y'all. So I did drop the car off. I am back home now, as you can see. So I just wanted to talk to y'all for a little bit. I want to ask y'all, what do y'all want to see with this build? So it will be built. It will not remain stock. Let's get that out the way. Now I'm thinking about doing like twin turbo or single turbo or Whipple, even Roush. I want y'all to give y'all y'all opinions. Like if y'all got a Mustang and y'all went the boosted route, show me some, or tell me right in the comment section like some pros and cons of, you know, each setup. I already have a setup in mind, but I would like y'all to sway me either way. Because, you know, I'm really open-minded when it comes to stuff like this. I don't want to just go into stuff blindly. I like to learn from people's mistakes. If y'all got any tips for going boosted, y'all can leave a comment below. But yeah, like, just tell me, like, what do y'all think I should do? What are some things you think I shouldn't do? Like I said, I'm getting my X pipe done right now. Some quad exhaust tips and like lowering springs, the drag springs. I got some suspension stuff, you know, for when I start drag racing. My axles are on back order. They won't be here till like late August. So I probably won't be doing any drag racing stuff until like August, September. But that's kind of perfect because the weather will be, you know, drag racing weather. So that's kind of a good thing. But I do want to start the build on the engine. So you think I should just go E85 or should I just jump straight to boost? Like, just leave a comment below what y'all think I should do. Like I said, if this is your first time watching, like, comment, and subscribe. Leave y'all feedback. Let me know what y'all want to see with this build. That's pretty much it. Keep rocking with me, and I'm gonna rock with y'all. I'm out this thing. Hit the subscribe button. I'm out this thing. Peace.